Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called tracking signal. It is a measure used to evaluate if the actual demand does not reflect the assumption in the forecast about the level and perhaps the trend in the demand profile. In statistical process control, people study when a process is going out of control and needs the manual intervention. Similarly, tracking signal tries to flag if there is a persistent tendency for the actual to be higher or lower systematically. If forecast is consistently lower than the actual demand quantity, then there is a persistent under forecasting and tracking signal will be positive. Tracking signal can be calculated as a ratio of cumulative error divided by the mean absolute deviation. The cumulative error can be positive or negative, so the tracking signal can also be positive or negative as well. Tracking signal should pass a threshold test to be significant. If a tracking signal is greater than 3.75, then there is a persistent under forecasting. On the other hand, if this is less than minus 3.75, then there is a persistent over forecasting. So in essence, greater than 3.75 implies that there is a bias. So what is magical about 3.75? This is an approximation using the relationship between normally distributed forecast error and mean absolute deviation. In general, forecast error into 0.8 is equal to MAD. At 99% promise service level, we will be using 3 sigma level. Thanks for watching. Bye.